My name's Igor Demba and I'm a destination wedding photographer, and today we're shooting in cloudy Brighton, but we're gonna make it look Barbados or Bahamas. So let's go.
Today we're at Thrive by Photography Farm, a conference and workshop in the UK. I was speaking and also running my own shoots, but I had a gap and I asked Igor if I could follow him around and ask him some questions during his shoot.
The whole idea, as I said beforehand, start wide and then work your way in. So I'm gonna start with a 24 and just simply work my way in. Basically what I want from these guys is just sort of like framing them in here. What I'm looking for when I'm shooting or when I'm scouting, let's say, lines, light and textures. Light first, always, but today it's flat. It doesn't really matter. We got a massive softbox on us, so we love it. Textures, you get all of this coming out in here, which is really nice. And what I really want, it's not the wide shot. What I want is this shot just here, when I can really crop it in. And that's why I was joking about the whole Barbados thing, but the look will literally come out and will be completely there, really. What we want here is, it's that almost kiss. You should always have those sort of shots that you got in your back pocket, and then you'll get this. I'm still hanging around with the 5D Mark IV. I love the skin tones. Yes, I could have gone R5, yes, I could have gone R6, but I find that the skin tones that I get from this baby, whew, beautiful. And it's such a simple shot, but the creation of intimacy is just there. Yeah, try it out, guys, and sort of like give yourself, I don't know, 20 seconds and see how many frames you can actually get. Because that's the thing with weddings. Sometimes you don't have time to really shoot a couple for half an hour, an hour. Yeah, it would be amazing to do that all the time. But to be fair, do you really want to do that? Because they got friends to get to, they got food and party and vibe to really enjoy.
They can go either way.
Yeah, that's it. All right, guys, I'm gonna send the guys down over there, and we're gonna go over there to the pergola or bandstand, whatever you want to call it. And what we want to happen is Lucas leading Shana, so sort of like holding her head there, and it just creates separation as well. I just want movement. Movement, it's beautiful and important in this case. And basically, I'm just waiting now. Waiting for them to hit the middle. Got my framing. Yeah, that's it. We got bystanders. Look at the kids. Thank you, you're amazing.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. Basically what it does. Yeah, I love landscapes, I love traveling as well. So that always feeds my heart. That's what keeps me creative. And I love the fact that as wedding photographers, we are artists. We can actually very much put our voice forward, and the way we show our work, the way we edit, yeah, you can really put your stamp into it and make your images not just simply be images, but art, and it's incredible. Vicky asked, what do you do if a couple is quite stiff, they don't really know what to do? What do we do with our hands? The best way to combat that is movement. Just get them moving, get them flowing, and you'll find that they'll warm up and things shift and things change, and by creating moving you just create a fluidity, really. There's just a lot more natural. People know how to walk. If there's one thing that they know how to do, is walk. So yeah, if I get you guys to just go over there, if you can just start walking across, but keep looking at each other as well. Yeah, this time, you guys take the lead. You guys go for it and grab your shots. I don't need these shots, they're for you. So yeah, make sure you get them. Why should somebody who is a wedding photographer? I mean, the limitations that people have today in comparison to what we were in the past, they're gone, really. What you want or what you can create with your business as a wedding photographer, it's incredible, really. The reality is that you can very much have a lifestyle that is incredible. And yeah, it's a great way of earning money. Yeah, let's try this again, but let's run this time. Taylor's like, nah, I'm not sure about this. And don't be afraid of literally following them through. That's it, well done guys. I don't need a gym or anything like that. I just go and hit it up with my couples, and yeah, this is how we get our Baywatch look. What we're gonna do next is just hit lines. And we've got a great composition over there with leading lines. So basically we're just gonna place the guys in the middle and allow the leading lines really to create the frame and have fun with it, that's it. One of the things that I tend to do, it's not that I love it, but I use it as a strength, is when I have videographers and they're getting their shots, just shoot around them. Don't hang around and sort of like wait for them to kind of like do their shot and do their video, or if you have a second shooter, don't just sort of like hang around and wait for them to kind of like finish their shot. Shoot around.
I can't stop. I forgot I have a massive bag. Did you get it?
This is the perfect timing as well to get this guy out. So this is the Polaroid SX70. It's a beautiful thing. It's literally from the 70s, and it's one of the few Polaroids that you can manually focus it, but you can also autofocus it with it, and you can select exposure as well, which you can't really much do on many Polaroids. With Polaroids, do a countdown because you don't want to be wasting frames. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Anyone wants to try it? Yeah, if you guys can actually face each other and get nice and close. And I'm gonna grab the flowers from you, please. So, oh yeah, completely. So if you guys can take one step back, Chana, just slide. Can that shimmy, perfect. Get your framing and let the leading lines do the work. $35 every day. Every day.
Sell everything else.
I could, because literally it's the one lens that I can do landscapes, I can do portraits, I can do details, so yeah. Let's move down to the beach, and then we'll head back and do some editing. So if you guys face each other, and again, it's all about framing. Perfect, guys, perfect. Just stay there, get nice and close to each other. Perfect, and if you look at each other, that's it. For a shot like this, tilt shift is incredible. So I'm just gonna do a quick one. Amazing, Lucas. Yes, carry on that. Just gonna do a quick Polaroid. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Border Collie passing through. Still got 2 shots left, so it's okay. 2, 1. Perfect. Last shot. Meat feast. It has to be meat feast.
Meat feast pizza?
Yeah, meat feast. That's how we roll here in the UK. That besides would be pepperoni. Yeah, you can't beat a classic pepperoni, so yeah. I'm drinking with that now. Oh, yeah. We'll have some sausage in there, some bacon, just a meat feast. With stuff like this, I know we're concentrating sort of like on the couple, but don't forget to be capturing everything that's happening around. So we got this structure here that is just absolutely incredible. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much, man. You've been absolutely incredible. Thank you so much. Shana, you've been absolutely incredible. Well done.
It's been really fun.
Do you know what we should do here? We should do take a group shot. A group shot, yeah? Go to igordemba.com and yeah, on socials it's exactly that, IGORDEMBA, and see you there. Thank you, fam.
Thank you so much to Igor and for Photography Farms Thrive for having us both out there to take some pictures and do some shoots. Thanks for hanging out. See you again next time.